Lenovo has released a new version of its Legion Y700 8-inch Android gaming tablet in China. The latest model, the Ultimate Edition, features a color-changing inductive glass back. Fans of compact Android tablets elsewhere are still pining over the fact that Lenovo doesn't seem inclined to give the Legion Y700 a global release. Lenovo has unveiled the Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition tablet with an 8-inch display in China. The new Android tablet also features a color-changing glass back and is offered at a discounted price of 3,299 yuan or $489. As with the Legion Y700, the Lenovo Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition may not be globally available yet. The standard model, the Legion Y700, was released in China last February. The Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition comes with identical features to the standard model. The tablet is a great gaming device and is as compact as it can get for an Android tablet. It is powered by a Snapdragon 870 chipset and has a chrome shell exterior design. The LCD panel of the Legion Y700 has a 120Hz display refresh rate. Two color options are available for the new tablet, namely Ice White and Glare Blue. The Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition is priced at 3,699 yuan, or $549, and it includes an inductive rear glass panel. The glass back changes colors while the tablet is in operation and could be exciting to gamers. The illuminating effects of RGB lighting during gaming can give a lift to some gaming enthusiasts. There are now 3 versions of the model in China, while it remains unavailable globally. Gaming enthusiasts outside China who are desirous of trying their hands on a compact Android gaming tablet could get it via resellers. Lenovo remains silent on scaling up the availability of the Legion Y700 tablet. Unfortunately, the rest of the specs of the Lenovo Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition tablet remain identical to the standard edition, so it's not really a Pro model, and hasn't been labeled as such by Lenovo. For instance, it features the same Snapdragon 870 SoC as the regular Legion Y700, but at least consumers in China now have a choice between 3 different versions of the Legion Y700, while there are still plenty of tablet users outside of that market, clamoring for an 8-inch Android tablet with the kind of power and performance that Lenovo's device can muster. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.